channel. I'm not gonna lie, it has been long overdue since I did a hair video. You know, I've started my channel. I built my channel off my hair, and I built it off making natural hair videos and everything like that. I was like, let me go ahead and all my old subscribers that are still here, you know, still watching my videos till now, I just want to make this video for you guys. I was looking back at all my old videos, which was like my hair videos and everything like that. You know, I'm being real. I'm getting on here today to show you guys how I grow my hair out. For this year, this is a new technique I have started doing that actually works because it makes sense with the physics of our hair as POC. They say that we have to water our hair like plants, you know, because our hair, you cannot keep your hair dry. Always keep your hair moisturized 24/7, and you don't even have to use products all the time. You just spray water on your hair. Just keep it moisturized. That's why today I'm going to show you guys how to do it and how I did it myself. So give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to my channel. I know that I am basically trying to start my channel back over, guys. What I wanted to get into mostly beauty when I started YouTube, because that was the whole reason I created this channel, was to show my hair. But then as time went by, I realized that, you know, sometimes times change, and truth be told, a lot of people don't really look into these videos anymore. That's why I have been starting to go towards the vlogging and entertainment, because I still want to show you guys my life. I still want to show you guys, you know, what I do outside of my hair. So that's why I'm creating this video today, guys. Okay, I just wanted to be very informative in this intro, but I do miss you guys, and I thought, you know, I've been trying to regrow my channel with new content and all that good. I mean, if you guys still support me and support my channel in general, you can check out some of my vlogs and all that stuff. I do some pretty cool stuff, because I don't just want to show me in the camera no more, like me just in a room and, you know, doing my hair. I wanted to show more of my life. So if you're interested in my life and what I'm doing, go ahead and check out my episodes, guys. I created a show. It's basically like a YouTube TV show, but I have a show. I have like 10 episodes now. You can go check out those, guys. And you know what? I'll just start throwing in hair videos in those vlogs as well. So if we can agree on that, then I'll just, you know, throw a hair video before I started a vlog or whatever. And hopefully you guys like it. Because I never realized how much people enjoyed watching me do my hair until this year. Like, it's been 3 years since I've been on YouTube, and I've never realized how people truly, like, genuinely like seeing me do my hair, especially after my video went viral of my water wet look. And that's basically how my channel began. Like, that was the takeoff for my channel. That video right there was the first video to go viral on my channel. And then ever since then, everyone wanted to see my hair and what I do to it, like how I style it, and I did it. I listen to my family, because I call my subscribers my family, because, you know, I wouldn't have never got 11,000 subscribers. So I call out my family. I made sure to get videos out all the time. I was very consistent with them too. And I'm just now having an epiphany about all of this, and that's why I wanted to hop on this video, guys. So let me stop talking. I love you guys so much. I still will drop hair videos in my vlogs just for you guys. Y'all are my family. Give me a hug. Come on. Okay, guys, let's get into this video, okay? So that was very, like, heart-wrenching. Like, that was for my heart. So as you guys can see, I did do a what is this called? Did do a little bun I got going on. My ends are a little bit dry. I used a lot of gel, so I'm gonna have to break all of this up. To my side buns, I used a lot of gel, as you can see. I'm trying to decide how I want to style my hair. If I want to put it on this side, or like keep it like this and have the hair going down like this. Which one looks better? Because when it dries, it's going to be straight like this. So let me see. Yeah, we're going to do it. We're just going to keep it on this side like this. I'm going to do one side of my head first, because I like to work in sections. Okay, like every time before I go to sleep, guys, I always braid my hair up. I massage my scalp with some grease, and I braid it up. First step is water. You know how I say you have to water your hair like a plant? You really do. Like, I'm not even kidding. You're gonna spray around it. Like, basically you're gonna spray your roots with water. And this is a technique I've been doing lately. Okay, let me show you. This is a technique I've been using lately, because right as you spray your roots with water, you can already feel the sensation. Scalp feels like amazing. Like, your scalp be like, oh, a drop of water. Like, I'm telling you guys, your hair needs water. You need to water your roots like a plant. Like, and I'm not even kidding. Like, your hair will feel so good. Trust me, just do it. Like, and so as you can see, my roots is very moisturized. So next, you're going to also water the ends of your hair, because your ends need to be sealed the most. So I just spray my roots, and then I can just use the rest of the water just to bring it up to the middle part of my hair, because I don't want to overly drench my hair. I'll be taking a honey and ginger Supergirl. Like, I recently bought this one, but the original one I was using is the green one right here, which worked really good as well, because this one's more of a conditioner type, but it was too late. I already left the store. So just use this green one right here to grease your scalp and grease, you know, your hair. So I'm going to put in my fingers like this, and I'm going to massage my roots with the grease. I know this is a lot of products, but I only use a little bit of each product because my hair is not like really thick. So now I'm going to use the Wild Growth oil. This is old school stuff. As you can see, all the products I'm using is old school stuff, which was way better for our hair than this new stuff that they got for us POC women, by the way. So I just, you know, grease. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of the growth oil and put some in my fingertips. Okay, you're gonna do this with, and then you're just gonna massage your scalp. Okay, I usually like stretch my hair down and then just get it out my scalp. So we're gonna be splitting this into 2 sections. I'm gonna have in total 4 braids around my head, guys. So I'm gonna start off with this section right here. I'm gonna take some gel. You're basically gonna be sealing your whole hair in grease. Okay, I know a lot, if you don't like your hair to be greasy, then just go ahead and do this at nighttime before you wake up. Okay, do it at night, and then by the time you wake up, your hair won't be too greasy. And if it is, just take a towel and just pat your hair like that. Okay, but basically sealing your hair in nutrients and water will help it grow. Like, that's what I've been doing lately. You know, like, I've been seeing a video of an African tribe. They'll actually seal their hair in like this with shea butter and moistures and everything, and their hair will be all the way down here. I'm like, okay, I need to learn how to do that the Americanized way. The Americanized way, because I don't have any of those products. So I was like, okay, we've been having the products this whole time. We just forgot about them. Like, over time, all this new stuff has been coming out, and I'm getting some more. My phone ran out of storage. You see, all this stuff is happening. They don't want us to know. I'm gonna use some of this water again just to get, like, just to spritz it. That's it. It's more of that grease. That, start at the ends, then work your way up. You're basically massaging it into your hair follicles so you can keep moisture inside and all that good stuff. Now, like, if you're planning to go out the next day and you don't want to keep your hair braided up or anything like that, I will apply some gel. So I do have this Eco Styler gel that I'll be using today, guys. I don't know what kind of gel we was using back in the days. I think it was the Extreme. I would probably recommend getting that one instead of the Eco Styler, but this is all I had, so I'm gonna be using that today. Like, sometimes I'll be forgetting to get the back part of my roots. Everything is moisturized. And then you just braid it down. You can do scalp braids if you want. I'm not really very skilled at braiding. So this is why I always do the regular braids. But if you're like really good at braiding your hair, your braid out is gonna turn out really cute. And I'm jealous. Because yours is gonna be more perfect because you're doing scalp braids. So can someone like, I wish I had a friend that could braid hair, like, bro. But yeah, I'm just adding more grease on my ends because I like to make sure my ends are very sealed. It's like the roots of your hair, you shouldn't keep your roots dry, you shouldn't keep your ends dry because that's the oldest part of your hair. Okay, so now we're starting on this part. I'm gonna scalp braid this part because I like it to be more down. So yeah, I feel so good because like I'm doing this hair video like I used to years ago, and it, you know, it kind of brings back memories. Now we're just spraying around our hair again. How long is this? Oh, 3 minutes. Because if a video is over 3 minutes, I cannot upload it. So I just sprayed my roots. Now I'm gonna spray this part. Gonna work that into my hair. I'm gonna also detangle it because you need your hair to be straightened. I already detangled this side. I'm also gonna get some of the wild growth oil, put it in my fingertips again. Also, where have you guys been? Have y'all missed? I know a lot of people, LED sign is starting to go out a little bit. It's old. It's been like 5 months since I had that thing. All right, so I already massaged my scalp. I'm gonna take the grease, start at my ends, work my way to the top. I'm gonna fast forward through this side of my hair, so this video won't be too long, but I'm gonna fast forward now. Also, disclaimer, I want to tell you guys, natural products like honey, ginger, aloe, all these organic products that's already like, you know, made on this earth is what we need to use for our hair. Like fruits and berries, all those things is what we need to use. And that's the tea. So I hope you guys can see my growth from over the years from my past hair videos. As you can see, I do have braces. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges before I put my hair up tonight. So I'm just gonna make sure this. What's up, everybody? So I'll show you guys how I take it down. Looking kind of rough, but my hair not, so. Okay, so we're gonna take down the thingy-majigger. I had to use my mother's phone yesterday due to this reason, so I'll just be taking down my braid out today. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this part, guys.
Out of the highways that span to the seas, the one that I take never stops in between a whole 3,000-mile road with one brief pause in Yellowstone. If the day comes